Right, I've just put hot water in with Weetabix, and I'm just mushing it around. And there. In goes the milk. Get close up, huh?
I'm doing it. Do you know, it's exactly how I do mine.
Right. Now I just need some sugar. Chops are good. Just done.
No, that is exactly the same as I do mine. But I put sugar